bumper has basically come off. We'll talk about what was in those boxes in a bit when we get to the old unit. One thing we do have to resolve before we start the journey and before we start this video is, as you may notice, the plate is currently up here, and that's because the plate fell off the other day on my way to work. So mission one, fix the plate, get that mounted before we do this 3-hour drive through Hampshire, because Hampshire police do not like people with no front plates, as we know. I've got to fix my plate because my number plate, I used to have magnets on it, as you would have seen in the videos from like last year. When I got the bumper redone, I thought I'll try something else, which is use these like suction cup things, which have been absolutely fine. But as you can see, I've got one there, and I did have bottom ones, and then the bottom ones fell out, and then my plate fell off, and it's all mashed up and ruined. And now this suction thing is literally now completely broken. So I've got no way of having my plate on my car as we speak, and we need to fix that. So we've come to the Holy Grail. Ta-da! Let's go see what we can get.
Father Christmas knocking, but the doors bolted tight. Bills piling higher than the fake pine.
Right, so we found some suction cup fixings in the learners aisle, which is just what I need. So yeah, we're gonna get these, do some mods, and get on the way. We got a bit of explaining to do with what is going on in today's video. Tomorrow we're heading to the Bocka meet, or BQR. He's doing an open day at his unit, so we're heading off up there. Now that's Gloucester, so that is a 4-hour drive for me and Ella going all the way up there. Now, his unit, the Bocka unit, is about 7 minutes away from where Billy from Gasser Diaries, his unit is. So me and Billy have come up with a big plan. Everything's gonna come together. So today is Saturday, the Bocka meet is tomorrow, and we are heading to the Gasser Diaries unit to film something a bit secret. Also, you would have seen me loading the fab up with loads of stuff. So let's explain what this stuff is. We have item number 1. Here's one I made earlier. This, if you can't tell what that is, then you're a bit thick, and it is to match something that I may be hiding under there. But that is for a later video, so let's stay away from that. That's a secret for the future. But we've also got a lovely Gusto box. Let's see what's in here. I mean, we did have a big breakfast. I'm not that hungry, but I have got a big Gusto box that's basically one of you guys sent me a Gusto box, and we are going to shout out who this is. I was a bit confused when I saw this because I knew what it was meant to be that's arriving, and I got this turn up. And when I opened it as well, we've got innocent smoothies. Someone's already ramsacked that. They are quite nice, to be fair. We've also got some wheat bisques. Not ideal for Ella with her with celiac. And then we've also got a shower head.
Need a new one of those, to be fair.
Yeah, we do, to be fair. But what we've actually got in this box is something a bit more exciting. Now, one of you guys, subscriber, has sent me another set. This is the first time I'm opening them as well. Another set of rear lights. How sick is that? Like, these are literally in like really good condition. Big up. So Dexter Rimmer, don't know how you pronounce your name, sorry mate, but you mate are an absolute hero. Because if you did watch the last video, I tried to tint the rear lights and I absolutely butchered them. So that is sick, big up. Right, so we did get some fixings for the plate. Now, if you can see, that nubbin has got to fit through that hole. I don't know if you can kind of see there. That's not going to fit. So I've got to really quickly drill out these holes a little bit bigger, fit these, and then we've got a 4-hour drive. And we've got to get to Billy's for 3 PM, give or take, and it's currently like, I don't know what, 11:15, so we've got to get moving, so let's crack on. As you can see, it's the noise they're making it. bit dodgy. Some of them, like some of the holes are a bit too big, so it probably might fall off on the way, but we've got to do something, haven't we? What you have to do as well, if you've never used these before, you've got to get them wet, so. Oh no. I've got to put it, because obviously my bumper's got a lip, the bottom one's like half on that lip, so. Like that. I think we're going to have to rock with that. As long as we get there and I don't get done by the fuzz, we'll be alright. Let's go. So if you haven't already, then please can you smash that subscribe button. I've noticed that most people that watch these videos are on their TV, so all you've got to do is get on your phone that's sitting right next to you, log into YouTube and just click the button, as it really helps. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I mean, you guys probably didn't really see that, but oh my god, yeah, basically the whole road was completely flooded. With this car being so low, I aired all the way up, but I haven't really got everything that waterproof in the front of the car. And yeah, by the looks of, I mean, there were vans in front of us, and the van's bumpers were in the water, so I think the whole front end of the fab was literally split under the water and everything then. So that's just all in my intercooler, everywhere. Although my gear changes feel really smooth all of a sudden. Not less than 10 minutes away from Billy's place. But yeah, look how dirty the car is. It's absolutely mental. Like this time of year, the roads and like the weather just absolutely ruin cars. But yeah, we're so nearly there. Come on. Oh, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. As you can see, there is a big gate blocking our entrance. But there is a way of entering to see my lovely friend Billy. He's left me on voicemail. I can't get in, he's put me on hold. Let me in! Billy! Yo! 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 Yeah, come on in, mate. Thanks, mate. Alright, mate. See you in a minute. Bye! Bye! Open sesame! So yeah, basically, Billy runs Gasser Diaries, clothing brand. He opened what they call the print house. They do like mass printing of loads of stuff for loads of big brands and everything. It's sick. So they've basically got a unit on this guy's farm. So it's really cool. It's like such a cool spot. But yeah, you've basically got to drive through this farm, and obviously in a lowered car on air ride for a farm, as you can all imagine, is not the easiest ride. Hell yeah! We made it. We come to the Gasser print house, as you saw. What a lovely place. And we're here for a reason that I can't say yet. It's probably going to give it away when I come in the next room. And we're going to say hello to the man himself, Billy. Here he is! Hey, the man!
Welcome to the print house, HR department.
We got Zeppelin. We have M over in the corner.
A few activities that are going to be going down here. Can't talk about them, but a bit of a podcast.
Oh! So we've come all the way down here, yeah, to film something for Gasser with Billy. And then tomorrow, obviously, as you will see from the title of this video, we're going to go to the Bocka meet. So
yeah. Bocka's actually like 10 minutes down the road, so that's going to be sick.
Perfect, absolutely prime. So yeah, we're going to get a little thing on the go.
Yeah, man.
And we'll catch up with guys in a bit. Right, so yeah, we basically just finished up a little A little poddy.
Yeah, little cheese podcast.
Where are we going to find this podcast? When's it coming out?
We'll get it on Spotify, we'll get it on YouTube, so you can find it on the Gasser Diaries, Instagram, YouTube, and we'll probably have to set up a podcast site.
Yeah,
like
definitely.
I don't know how to do it. You're the first one, bro.
First one, wow.
First one.
So yeah, basically you catch us there, it's going to be sick.
Yeah.
We're going to get some food, we're going to chill out for a bit, and then we're going to wake up tomorrow morning at the Bocka meet. So we'll see you there.
We'll see you at Bocka.
Last night we had a bit of a problem. We stayed in a Premier Inn, and the entrance to the car park of the Premier Inn was a lot steeper than I anticipated. The bumper has basically come off, and I've snapped like one of the clips. So we got to fix that, because obviously it will come off. So there's a DIY store just down the road. So we're going to quickly razz down there, get a cable tie, whack that on. Then the weather's naff, but I do really want to clean the car because it is like an absolute state, and I want it in some sort of presentable condition. So might really quickly just jet hose it off or something, I don't know, and do that. And then we're gonna arrive at Bocka. So let's crack on. Bumper is clipped back in. Trusty cable tie trick. Job's good un. So we've just pulled up at the meet. It is busy to be. We actually managed to park right on an end spot, so it's quite a sick like little spot for the whip. Yeah, basically we're gonna go have a walk around, get some videos of some cars, say hello to Josh, and yeah, basically see what's going on. It's sick to like have an event like this, even though it's miles away. It's cool to get loads of people from the scene together. So yeah, without further ado, let's go have a look around. Right, so we've just finished up at the Bocka open day. It was absolutely sick. Yeah, it was well good having like being there in his unit, seeing where they make their videos and stuff. It's really cool, like being in that atmosphere, experiencing it. Some seriously cool cars. I met Josh as well, really nice guy, and all round sick day. So I didn't get much footage while I was there. They were playing music and copyright, etc. So I couldn't have had it. But if you did enjoy today's video of all the antics and shenanigans that I got up to, then please smash that subscribe button. Also, give me a follow on Instagram. It's harry.roberts.1. There's more on there to see. But anyway, peace. See you later.
Reindeer pulling lows, heavier than Santa sack. Red noses from the cold or the rock. Ain't no turning back. Gifts under the tree, nah, just echoes of what we lack. Stocking stuff with regrets, hanging low like the flag half-mast. But in the chaos, we find a real magic. Family feast on ramen packs, laughing through the pain, turning cold hearts to platinum tracks.
It's a merry madness, holy night in the hood, angels singing over sirens.